Dear friends, good morning. We have arrived at day 2 of the 4th International Agribusiness Forum. For those of you who are watching the streamlined content online, I would like to ask you to show us some understanding, to be as considerate as possible to the fact that we are starting late. We are in Athens, and this morning we heard it over the news. There has been a huge traffic jam. So we needed to wait for the first session's panelists, and this is why I would like to ask you to forgive us and bear with us, because we are late for a whole day. So this is day 2. Yesterday we had a full and exciting day with 5 sessions, excellent speakers. Today and this year we are talking about food and farming systems, green and digital transition. And of course this year's forum is closely impacted by COVID and the pandemic, which has highlighted gaps and weaknesses in the supply chain and has raised question marks as regard globalization, food safety and security, and the resilience of agri-food systems. AgriBusiness Forum 2021 delves deeper into the food challenges, the impact of the climate crisis on agriculture, and the Green Deal under the framework of the new 2021-2027 CAP. Yesterday, our 4th session within the AgriBusiness Forum was graced by the EU Commissioner for Agriculture, the Greek Minister of Agriculture, Mr. Livanos, alternate minister from the Ministry of Development, Mr. Papathanasis, and they spoke to us of the new CAP, which will be implemented as of 2023. So in between all these trends and this content, we feel that the AgriBusiness Forum will provide us today as well until 5 in the afternoon a sustainable, or rather a good framework and valuable insight on all aspects of the agri-food sector and supply chain. As I mentioned yesterday, AgriBusiness Forum has opened up its gates physically and is hosting it well, securely, of course, with respect to COVID protection and prevention measures, is physically hosting lots of esteemed speakers and moderators. So for those of you who have followed this event as of yesterday, you will see that we are tackling practical as well as theoretical issues, and we're aiming to come up with solutions during this forum. I would like to express my warmest thanks to the sponsors and partners of today's and yesterday's event, and the National Bank of Greece, a leading partner, the Power Public Corporation, Olibos, Corteva, Krecher, a series of microbreweries, and so on and so forth. As you know, the AgriBusiness Forum is a very important link in the agri-food supply chain because it is a hub for networking, for exchange of information, insight and ideas, and it also works together with players of both national, regional and international appeal, such as the FAO, the Food the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN, the UN Women Organization, the Greek Ministry of Development, and the Greek Ministry of Agriculture. We are undertaking international conferences, training seminars, thematic travels abroad, so that we will be able to instigate and to implement a better future with comprehensive solutions of the agri-food chain. We're hoping that in a month and a half from now we will see you again at Trikala at the plain of Thessaly, where we will have the next forum on the 20th of November on the future of the plain of Thessaly within this new era. I would like now to invite Ms. Alia Eliasir, the Regional Director of the UN Women for Europe and Central Asia, as well as representative to Turkey, so that she may address the audience. Thank you.